Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to play this Enlighten eyeshadow palette. This is from IBY Beauty. I got this, I believe, a month ago, and I've used this once. You guys haven't seen my past videos that I use this palette. You can go ahead and check that out to play around with this, since it has a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It has 20 shades. There you go. I don't know yet what color should I go for, and I washed my face already. But that thing, it looks weird on me, but I kind of like this. It cleans out my face. I got this one online from oh my gosh, my brain can't function right now. From First Aid Radiance pads, and it says it help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Comes with these little pads. Yeah, I'll take one, and make sure your hands are clean before you touch anything that you put on your face. And I already did. So all I do is put this in my fridge. This and my mask, sheet mask, I use during nighttime. If you don't have this, you can just use face wet wipes. And I use this primer, Glossy Touch In Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. So this will make your face look doughy. Okay, so I'm gonna put it just a bit. I don't need that much, and I just put that back. I don't want it in front of me. Okay, and do that. And most of the time, moisturizer or primer sit on my face for 5 minutes before putting makeup on. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes. It's just my preference. 5 minutes to let the product sink into your face before putting any different kind of products mixed with it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So next step is I am going to put a liquid foundation in my face, and I am going to use this beauty blender. I am going to try this Wonder Beauty Nide Illusion liquid foundation. It's on a shade Fair Light, and I paid this small tiny thing for $3 since it's a sample size. It's basically you get a sample size, you want to try it on, and once you liked it or its shade fits you, you can go ahead and buy the regular size on this online. Put that in like that. I heard about good things about this Wonder Beauty foundation. So if I liked it, then I probably won't go ahead and order online. There you go. I'm gonna use this beauty blender. This is a Miracle beauty blender. It just blends everything in my face. So soft. This color is so white on me. Probably need a darker shade. I like this Wonder Beauty foundation. All I do is just tap. You can do it like that, but it's too harsh for me if I do that. Wow, my face! Oh my gosh, I'm not so used to this too white foundation in my face, but it's okay. I can probably order a darker shade online, but it kind of matches my skin right here, but not my neck, so it's okay. I don't know what else I can say about this. Need to put that on my neck as well. Like, to be honest, it's just not my shade, but I like the formula. Their formula is very blendable. It doesn't feel sticky at all. That's what I want. My foundation just feels natural. I mostly put a lip balm, and the lip balm I use is a Canuka CBD Hydrating Lip Balm, and it has a natural scent, and It smells so good. I like this. If you're interested with this too, I'll put this in the description below. Check this out later. Just feels so good to your lips. So I'm going to open this Enlighten IBY Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. So open this. It smells so new. You know the smell when everything is new, brand new. Of course, I love the packaging. It's like it is like a holographic color, cruelty-free and vegan. So this is like an organic palette eyeshadow. If you're interested, I put the link in the description below so you can check this out later as well. So, and this is the palette. Yay! So I am not sure what look should I go for, but I just want to play around with this color. I don't feel like going blue, I don't feel like going purple, I don't feel like going smoky eyes brown. So I'm probably gonna try both of this thing, greenish. So we'll see how it looks. So before that, I am going to use my brush set from Luxie. If you're interested with this too, I'm gonna put the link below in the description box just in case you want to check this later. But it comes with this little case, purplish, of course. Again, purple. You can use this a cup too for your brush. Look at that. So this is the brushes, and you can use this, put this in your vanity too. So, and it's purple too in here on the handle. So I'm going to put eyeshadow primer, and I am using Pic Perfect Auto Balm. And this eyeshadow, they already have this primer. Trying to explore everything. I feel like makeup is a art as well. And put this, the color Ojai. I don't know what is it, but it is called Ojai. Small tapered blending, Luxie 231. Put it on like a base. Let's go for this holographic color. I don't know, it's called Wealth, and I am going to wet this thing. I have a damp brush. I don't know if this works. Let's try and go and just try here. See the green? Wow. This is so new to me. It's okay guys, it's just trial and error. It has some fallout right here, but you can just clean that later. And I am just trying to blend it. All I have to do is just blend the outer. Mix it with the green and just blend it. Just trust, you gotta trust the result. If you do any makeup stuff, you just trust yourself and trust the result. I know I never used this color before, but it looks nice. I'm gonna clean the harsh edge, and I'm gonna use the same pads that I used. After all that setup, I'm going to put a... So I am using this Hey Honey Trick and Treat Concealer. It's a cream concealer with treatment benefits, and my skin is light to medium. And Juno in coat again. How cute is that? It's so small. It's like a teardrop. One thing I like about this beauty sponge I have, they're all microfiber. See, you just put this thing and it will hit your under eye like that, or that way. It's really good sponge. I'm gonna conceal the spot that you can see, this marks, bakas ng kahapon. Is Sephora. It is Seraphine Botanica. Do some swatch in here. Look at that. Ooh, line up like this, and I just put a line. So I line up it like that down there. Okay, next is going to be my eyeliner. It is called Mr.Right from the Balm, and it's on the shade Poise, and it's a crayon eyeliner. Okay, so next I am going to color my under eye. Eyeliner in the bottom, right here. Put some mascara there before I put a false lashes. Use this. So I'm going to use these Luxe lashes. I got this online as well. Because I have so much eyelashes in here. It's not a paper glue, okay guys? You have to buy a glue for the lashes itself. So I'm just gonna wait for a couple seconds to get this a bit dry. Okay, let's put that on now. There. I'm going to use my Gigi Gorgeous 6 Cup Bronze, and I'll just show that right there, and right here and right there to create a shape. I do look weird with this thing on. What about if I just take it off, since I am done with pretty much with the eyes? I'm gonna take this off. Scalp right here. Since my my foundation is very light, it's too light for my skin, I gotta sculpt this part right here, this part right here, and this thing is buildable. I'm gonna put the link below as well. Everything that I use in this video, I'm gonna put down below, just in case you want to check it out. But I look like an alien right now because I don't have an eyebrow. Why does it look weird in the camera? I'm serious, it just looks weird in camera, but in person it's fine. And I'm going to use this Shaina B Miami. This shade, shade Bellini. Get that one. There. Alright, next is my nose. I am going to create a little nose line. There, you just put a line and just spread it out to make the nose line. After this is my eyebrows. I am going to use this BDB, Billion Dollar Brows. It's a clay eyebrows, and this is one of my favorite eyebrows that I bought from Billion Dollar. And I'll show you my shade is taupe. It's so bad. I put on the clay. Blending brush. You see how I look before the eyebrows? I look crappy. I look like a alien looking, no eyebrows, but now it gives color to your face. So eyebrows are really important. That's why eyebrow is life. Brows. There. And I am going to proceed for my lipstick. I'm so undecided which color should I go for this. Maybe dark color. We have the balm, my mini ones, the balm that I did on my last video. I don't know which one should that will suit for this color. It's either this two. Okay, so I'll just go ahead for this pink right here, maybe, or I can mix them up. This. I'll try. So I'll go ahead and put the lipstick on. I think it does look good. In a bit, I'm going to change. There you go, guys. Ta-da! This is my finished look. I'm not sure if the pink looks good on the eyeshadow, but the eyeshadow comes really good. My hair does huge difference, so hair and the eyebrow. I like the IBY Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette and the balm liquid matte lipstick. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what color shade of the lipstick should I use for this look. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please click the ring bell below just in case if I upload new videos you'll get notified. And see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.